Hello, my name is Thomas Campbell. I'm the owner of Pitmaster Essentials. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I thought I would fire up my 14-inch Weber Smokey Mountain and smoke a 3-pound turkey breast. This is the first time I've smoked a turkey breast by itself, so this is going to be an experience. I've only smoked whole turkeys in the past, so stick around and I will bring you back when we start to prepare the injection. Okay, welcome back. So for today's cook, I'm going to be injecting this turkey breast with Butcher Barbecue Bird Booster injection. This injection is a game changer. I have used this for the past 2 or 3 years whenever I cook whole turkeys for Thanksgiving. It's very simple to use. The mixing instructions are on the side. It comes with its own scoop, which I'll talk about here in a second. But you take 1/4 cup, which is 1 level scoop, mix it with 2 cups of water, stir it together, and it makes enough injection for 10 pounds of meat. It is very simple to use, so I have basically cut this in half. So this is only a half of a scoop, so I guess 1/8 of a cup to 1 cup of water, since I'm only working with a 3-pound turkey breast. So I'm going to mix that up. Just take a whisk or a spoon, something, and just mix it up really good. It's very easy to mix up. So now we have it mixed up really well. So now we're going to start the injection process. So this is a Butcher Barbecue injector that I'm using, pistol grip injector. It is a 50cc injector, and it comes with an adjustable dial here, so you can dial it in at 5 cc's, 4 cc's, all the way down to 1 cc. And it's real easy to use. I'm going to tighten this up so it tightens up my gaskets here on the end. And I'm choosing to leave my needle off because it will fill it up much faster if I don't have the needle on here. It also comes with 2 needles. I prefer to use the smaller needle of the 2, but it does come with a much larger one for bigger cuts of meat. And just stick it on the end, kind of give it a twist, and now we're ready to inject. So like I said, I've never injected a turkey breast by itself before, so we're going to kind of learn together. But I'm going to go with the same process that I would use with a normal turkey, or a full-size turkey I should say, but I'm just going to go in and pull out as I inject. So I'm going to slide straight in, start to inject about halfway, and slide out. Go up here a little ways, and just repeat this process. You can see the injection is sliding out, which that is a good thing because the more injection we can get in there, the more flavorful it's going to be. Now, a lot of people brine their turkeys, and there's nothing wrong with brining. I, for one, think that brining takes a long time to do, and if I can just inject like this, mix it up, inject it, and then it's good to go. And I know that it's starting to get a little cooler around here, so people are probably going to start thinking about Thanksgiving here soon. I'm going to spin the turkey breast around. And I've done the turkey for our family get-together at my mother-in-law's house for the past few years, and one time we didn't get around to doing that. We actually hosted Thanksgiving at our house, and my father-in-law came down, and it was the first time that he had tried a turkey that I prepared, and he is a very picky eater. And to make a long story short, he was so impressed with the turkey that before he left, he called me Mr. Turkey. So if that gives you any indication for someone that is a very picky eater, this turkey injection, bird booster injection, is a game changer. I mean, it is a true game changer because it injects flavor, it injects moisture, and the turkey breast was not dried out. It was just fantastic, is all I can say. So I'm going to finish injecting this, and I will bring you back whenever I'm done. Okay, welcome back. I also wanted to mention, I don't think I talked about this, but whenever I go to inject, I push the needle in all the way, and as I pull out, I'm pulling my trigger, and I'm doing about 2.5 cc's, maybe 3 cc's as I pull out, and I'm just going all around the turkey breast. And as you can see, it is coming out the bottom here. And if I didn't have my Butcher Barbecue disposable cutting board, this would be all over the counter. So one nice thing about these cutting boards is they do have the sides that fold up. It keeps all of the juice here, it keeps all of the rub and everything, and whenever you go to clean up, you literally fold it up and throw it in the trash. So I'm going to finish up here, and then I'll bring you back whenever it's time to dust the bird. Okay, like I said earlier, this is the first time I've done a turkey breast by itself. You can tell that it had some kind of a mesh netting thing on there that I probably should have left on there. So I'm going to use some butcher twine, and I'm going to tie this guy together because it does have some loose ends down here from where the butcher had cut it. And so to do this, you basically twist over itself 1, 2, 3 times, and if you do it 3 times, whenever you pull down, it will bind on itself and it won't come undone as easily. So then you come back across and do your final knot on top, and that'll keep everything in place. So I just wanted to bring you back real quick and show you that, and I'm going to finish tying this guy up, and then I'll bring you back when it's time to dust. Okay, welcome back. So I got my turkey breast tied up with the butcher twine. Definitely lesson learned there. If it comes in a mesh type of material, like a butcher twine mesh, leave it in the mesh. So we're going to move on. You probably noticed this over here. This is a homemade rub, and it has turkey on the top because this is my turkey shaker. And so this is my very own homemade rub that I have put together, and it is absolutely delicious for turkey. I will put the recipe in the description below so you can try it out if you want to try it out. I've tried several different recipes for turkey rubs, and I've decided to just go with my own here. That's the great thing about barbecue, is you can make your own, and it's just so much fun to experiment. Okay, welcome back. So we are out at the smoker. I'm getting my 14-inch Weber Smokey Mountain started with B&B competition charcoal briquettes. They are great to use for the minion method. I have the minion method started, and I'm using apple wood as my wood chunks for today. So I will bring you back when we're ready to put the turkey on the smoker. Okay, welcome back to the pit. So 14-inch Weber Smokey Mountain. It's so fun to cook on this because it's so small. It's like my baby Smokey Mountain. And but the nice thing is that once you get it locked in, right now it's at 225, 230, and it'll stay there all day long. I have both of my bottom vents closed. It's been warming up for about an hour. Both bottom vents are closed, and my other one over here is about half a pencil length, so maybe 1/4 of an inch open. And so it will probably sit there for the majority of the cook. So we're going to get the turkey breast put on there. It's been resting for probably about 15-20 minutes, and it's starting to smell like Thanksgiving around here. So I'm really excited to get this on and to get it cooking. So here we go. So you can see turkey breast looks amazing. I'm going to put him right in the middle. And then I have a probe over here. I'm going to put a probe in it. So we got the probe in, and then we will let her cook, and I will bring you back in about an hour. I anticipate this will be done in probably about 2 hours. Okay, I wanted to bring you back. It's been about an hour and 10 minutes, and the dome temp is still showing right around, looks like 220 or so, 225, somewhere in there. So we're going to take a look and see how we did. All right, that is looking really good. Looks like it might be a little dry, so I might have to spritz it a little bit, but other than that, we're making progress. So I'm going to cover this back up. And also the internal temp looks like 116.3, so I will bring you back here in about another 20-30 minutes. Okay, welcome back. So I thought I had some parquet to spritz, but I don't have anything to spritz with, so I melted down some butter. So we're just gonna put some butter on here because what better to put on turkey than butter? Actually, barbecue in general. The more butter, the better. So we're just gonna cover this with butter. I'll probably baste this probably every, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes or so, because the skin is getting a little dry. So I'll finish this up and then I'll bring you back for our next baste. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 15 minutes. Dome temp is climbing a little bit since I've been opening the lid, and we're up to about 250 degrees. Internal temp is at 132, so we're going to about 160, and then I'm gonna pull it to rest. But oh my gosh, if you all could smell what this turkey breast smells like, it smells incredible. And the butter, oh, it's got a nice golden brown. Folks, this is why I cook barbecue. I smoke meat, because it is just, it's incredible. Being outside, cooking a delicious meal for my family, putting the time, effort, and energy into it, and then finally with the final outcome where everyone is just enjoying their meal. Okay, I will bring you guys back in about another 15 minutes to baste again. All right, welcome back. So we are back out at the pit, Weber Smokey Mountain, my 14-inch Weber Smokey Mountain. I'm telling you folks, this guy is holding steady. It's been there the whole time. I've only had to adjust it 2 times on the vents, but she's holding steady at about 230, 235. So if you are new to smoking, I would highly recommend getting a small Weber Smokey Mountain. Internal temperature shows 163.2. So let's see how we did. That looks amazing. And it smells even better. So let's see where we're at on the thick area. All right, so we're at 161. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it off and let it rest. The carryover cook will get us up to our 165 that we're shooting for. And so I'll bring you back here in a few. All right, welcome back to the kitchen. So the turkey breast has been resting for about 15 minutes. Looks amazing, smells amazing. So let's see how we did. That looks amazing. It's very juicy. See the juice coming out of it. Butcher Barbecue Bird Booster Injection is a winner. All right. Very tender, delicious. Very tender, smells amazing. All right. Butcher Barbecue Bird Booster Injection, turkey breast. Tender, juicy. My homemade rub is flavorful, delicious. I appreciate you watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And remember, Pitmaster Essentials, where flavor meets smoke. Until next time.